I'm Dustin Mason from Performance Lexus in St. Catharines. Today I'm going to show you how to change your rear wiper on any Lexus or Toyota that has the hidden wiper feature at the top of the windshield. But before I get into that, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more Lexus related content. So if you pay attention to the back of an RX 350, you can tell it's very, very sleek. And one of the things you don't realize that you're not seeing is the wiper blade. A lot of other brands, a lot of other models have one mounted in the center. It's right out there for the eye to see. But on the Lexus RX and the Toyota Sienna and the Highlander and a few other ones, it's nicely tucked away at the top of the windshield. In fact, you won't even see it until you turn it on and it comes down and keeps your window clear of snow and ice. Another benefit other than just styling is the fact that it's hidden away from the snow and the ice buildup and all that stuff as well. Now this is a great design until you ask, well, how do I change the wiper blade? Which we know we have to change occasionally to make sure that we don't have any streaks. Well, let me show you a little trick. So the first thing you're gonna do is turn on the car. You don't necessarily have to start it, but you can just hit that on button twice. There'll be a little ding. And you can turn this dial here on the outside collar to make the wiper start moving. What you're gonna do is keep an eye in your rear view mirror to when the wiper is in the center of the windshield, and you're just gonna shut off the car. And the wiper is gonna stop, and now we can get out and go change the wiper. So there's the hidden wiper, stopped dead in its tracks, right in the center of the wiper, the windshield, the rear windshield. So now that it's here, you might think, oh, I can't really lift it up a whole lot to be able to maneuver or anything like that. But there is a little trick to it. So what you're gonna do is sort of just bend it, and you're gonna hear a snap. And now you'll see the wiper will actually stay elevated a little bit there. So I'll do that again for you. So you're just gonna have it like this, and you're just gonna snap it like that with a little bit of that bow happening. And now you can just pull on it. This is plastic, so it's not gonna hurt your windshield. And now you have the wiper. The wiper blade out. Okay, so with most Lexus and Toyota wipers, if you didn't know, you can actually just replace the rubber. I don't know if this is one of them. Usually they can just replace the rubber. It's like $9, something like that. They slide it in and you can just reuse the actual frame part. Not sure about this one, but we're gonna put it back on anyway. So you just lift it up a little bit there, line everything up the best you can. You're gonna hear that snap when you push it down, and the fact that it's now lined up with the windshield means everything is snapped on. If it was still sitting like this, you would know it's not snapped on. So that's a really foolproof way. And now we just get back in the car, turn it on, and shut off the wipers. So there you have it. That's how you're going to replace your rear wiper on the Lexus RX 350 or the Highlander, the Sienna, a lot of different Toyotas. That's my little hidden trick to do that. And let me know in the comments below if there's any other hidden features that you think I should do a video on to showcase to our audience. And remember to like and subscribe. I'm Dustin Mason from Performance Lexus, and I'll see you in the next video.